chasing shadows while I held on to hope. I stayed loyal through the madness, stayed patient through the hurt. But you never saw my value, never treated me my worth. You kept saying that you loved me, but your actions told the truth. You had eyes for everybody while I only looked at you. Now I'm claiming back my power, claiming back my heart and time. If loving you means losing me, then I won't cross that line. I sacrifice my peace for you, but baby, that was yesterday. Now I'm stronger than the woman you kept pushing away. I'm done begging for attention, done crying through the night, done letting you dim my spirit just to make you feel alright. I'm rising from this heartbreak, I'm choosing strength over the pain. If you can't love me right, I'll start loving me again. It's okay, I'm done, I want no part of you. Just so you truly understand, this love is through. I loved you, yeah I did, but I'm not in love no more. Take your final look at me as I'm walking out the door. I'm too beautiful to be waiting for attention you won't give, and the damage is already done.